Fashion Challenge for this month. I hope you all participated, which it looks like you all did. One of the things I did was a bracelet made out of PLA, and it's not flexible, so it prints like this, and then you kind of hook it. And once you hook it, you can't really see where it's at. So it's kind of invisible. So that's one of them. But my favorite one is experimenting with TPU, which is flexible filament. It prints flat. Then once it's done printing, you feed in a jewelry wire, and then you can shape it to the person's wrist.
Wow.
That is awesome. So I printed one for you and one for you.
Thank you.
So it fits in your wrist. And then, today I made the pendant for the Luck of the Irish, and I just finished making the little headband.
That's pretty
It's
cute.
literally hot off the printer.
Literally hot off the printer.
It might be stuck to your hair.
That's what delayed me. It was like, oh, okay, I'll make the little headband and see how that works. So that was my contribution to the Tech Maker Challenge of Fashion. And let's see who else participated. Did you participate?
I didn't print